Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How Logical. In today's video, we will be showing you how to share a clickable link when you're inside a Zoom meeting. First of all, if you don't have the Zoom application on your PC yet, go into your web browser and then in the address bar type in zoom.us and press enter. This will take you into the official website of Zoom. Once you're in here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and then click on the download button. From here you will be able to download the Zoom application. After downloading it, go ahead and open it up and then you will be asked to log in to your account. Click on the sign in button. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up free. Enter your email address followed by your password. Now click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Zoom account. Now let's go ahead and start a meeting. Once you're inside a meeting, you will be able to access the chat window by clicking on the chat button. Make sure everyone can see your message and then go ahead and enter your clickable link. Once you send this link, anyone who clicks on this link will automatically be taken into the page associated with the link. So that is how we can share clickable links on a Zoom meeting. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.